are the central air conditioners that I filmed a couple days ago. And I am back at my clubhouse. And this is a 2004 4-ton Tempstar central air conditioner running. And it is a straight cool unit. Pretty sure it's matched up with a gas furnace. Yeah, it looks like this is the only one that's running, but it's good enough for now. This one's pretty much the same thing. It's a 2004 5-ton. Everything is about the same. Yeah, and this one seems to have been running recently. Lines are a little bit sweaty. And the building does have gas heat. Yeah, and over here is the unit that I couldn't find a brand name on. And like I said in the other video, if you know what brand this unit is, or if you at least think you do, please do not hesitate to leave a comment. Yeah, this is also from 2004. It's a 3-ton. And yeah, it's also from 2004. That kind of gives me an idea of when the building was built. You could tell if this one's running recently, was it? It's a little bit cool, but not very cold at all. But I guess it probably ran at least once, probably this morning. Yeah, it is very muggy today, and probably about 90 degrees with the humidity, so definitely a good day to have the central air on. Yeah, back to the SCPs. Yeah, these are all straight cool units. And I believe they're all matched up with gas furnaces. Yeah, and lines are nice and cold. Yeah, and they all have the Copeland reciprocating compressor, and they all use R22 refrigerant. I guess getting this one running is good enough. So yeah, this is a 2004 4-ton Tempstar straight cool central air conditioner running on a very muggy day. This is probably one of the last times that any of these AC units will be running, because considering the fact that it's the beginning of August and they probably keep the thermostat set pretty high, so that could probably, yeah, there might be a couple more times where they run it. Midwest. Disconnect box. Yeah, there's. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Over and out. And it looks like this one turned on. That was how I was exiting the pool area. Sweet. Mine's actually not that cold. Well, anyway, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Over and out.